In our last video, we started with the first verse of the poem. Now, let's move ahead. It's always better to ask questions at the beginning. This exercise helps the students to become good listeners. Before reading the second verse of the poem, ask them a question such as, apart from eating ice cream, what other things do we do to save ourselves from the heat? The possible responses in this case will be using an umbrella, drinking lemonades, etc. An umbrella. Bingo! Instruct the students to make some paper umbrellas and stick them to their cards. Now, we can ask them to read out the second verse of the poem. Beneath his round umbrella, oh what a joyful sight, to see him fill the cones with mounds of cooling brown and white. Does it speak about ice creams this time? Yes. Remember the ice cream cutouts the students had made in the first session? Tell each group to stack their ice cream to their cards. So many ice creams! This brings us to the next question. What word defines the collection of the ice cream on the cart? The possible responses will be synonymous to many, big, lot, and so on. Inform the students that a heap or a stack of many objects is referred to as mound. That's the word in the poem. Isn't this fun? Moving on, ask the students what flavors of the ice cream they have on their cards. Some will say they have chocolate flavors, vanilla, strawberry, and many more. Also ask them if their cards have anything other than the ice cream, and some may have lemonades, soft drinks, etc. After receiving their responses, we can tell them that some ice cream men also sell fizzy drinks. Now we can read the third verse. Vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, or chili things to drink, from bottles full of frosty fizz, green, orange, white or pink. What sound does the word fizz make? It's the Z sound. Ask the students to come up with more words that end up with the Z sound. These will be similar to buzz, cheese, quiz, and so on. In this way, students will learn the phonetics of words. Also inform the students that the term frosty fizz is used to describe a drink that is cold and makes a hissing and bubbling sound. Near the end, inquire on what do honeybees like to eat. The most common answers will be honey, flower, etc. Point out the similarities as described in the poem. Inform them that the children gathering around the ice cream man are just like the honeybees gathering around flower beds. What is the word that best describes this? It's a cluster. Write these words down on the blackboard. It's time to recite the last verse of the poem. This is where we can conclude the topic. We have covered all the essential learning points and also had fun in doing so. By the end of the period, the concept map will look like this. I hope you enjoyed all the sessions. We will meet in the next session and continue with our fun teaching techniques. Till then, goodbye.